What's up, radio family? It has been a whirlwind of a week, but I'm back at it. I'm back out here on another fire. This one's the one that's a little bit closer to my home that was putting us at risk, but it's laid down quite a bit, and I think we'll be demobbing from this here by the end of the week. But I'm out here with a lot of time on my hands, and I thought I'd try to make a speaker mic for my True SDX. Now, this is a project that my Canadian friend Jeff recommended. There is a video from the Radio Prepper, and he takes a speaker mic like this and he just clips the end off and he rewires it. And, you know, we were talking, Jeff and I, and we thought, well, actually it might be nicer to make an adapter so that you could just use whatever speaker you want. And I thought, well, I'm a smart guy. I could figure that out. Well, it's taken me about 2 hours out here in the sun in the 98-degree heat, trying different configurations. But I think I finally figured it out and I want to share it with you. And then we'll maybe give it a try after I wire everything up all nice with some heat shrink tubing, and maybe we can check into some POTAs or something. But first, I got a real nice email from Alex in Spain on Winlink. It says, hi, this is Alex from Spain. His call sign is EA4IKR. He says, I'm a subscriber of your YouTube channel. Thanks for your work. You can save my email in case someday you need help or news from Europe. This email was sent using Winlink from with Vara HF. Now, I think Vara HF was developed by a fellow in Spain, so Alex, I really appreciate your email. I really like Vara HF too. Every time I try to go use RDOP or something else, I come right back to Vara HF. So, all right, come check out this project that I got. First thing to be aware of is that the speaker mic here has this Kenwood style plug with a 2.5 millimeter plug and a 3.5 millimeter plug, but as you can see, it does not quite fit. So that's why we need the adapter. Additionally, the wiring is a little bit different, and I'll go over that here in a moment. So to make my adapter, I've bought some plugs and I bought some sockets here in the 2.5 millimeter and the 3.5 millimeter size, and they have the wires already soldered into the plugs because I didn't feel like I needed that headache in my life. And I figured out how to wire these up so that I can make that speaker mic adapter. Now, forgive me if everything here looks like dicks, but it's been a bit lonely out here in the woods. So this 2.5 millimeter side can go straight over onto the True SDX, red to red, white to white, black to black. The black on these kits are the collars, the white is the middle, the red is the tip. That's the way it is for all of these up here. Now, here's where things get a little bit silly down here on this 3.5 millimeter side. First of all, the red tip of the part that goes into the True SDX needs to be connected to the black collar over here on the actual plug that goes to the speaker mic. Then, our red and white here, middle and the tip, get spliced together, and the white, the middle over here, goes over here and gets connected to the red and white. It looks more complicated than it is. Now this black collar here, he doesn't seem to be doing anything, so he gets over here in the cuck chair and he doesn't get to have any fun at all. So using my tuner as a field expedient dummy load here, you can see I've got that black one that goes into here, that collar. It's just off doing nothing. I think I'll just have to clip that off or fold it over. The red tip for the True SDX gets spliced to the black collar that goes to the speaker mic plug, and all of the other ones go together. And we can just do a quick test here. Have to turn it on. Kilo Golf 7 Yankee Sierra X-Ray. Seems to work so far. Let's get it wired up properly. All right, so when I just said that I was going to wire it up properly, I had not yet realized that my heat gun and my soldering iron draw more than all of the inverters in this ambulance are spec'd to provide. So we're just going to go ahead and wire it up with electric tape, and we'll figure out this whole proper wiring thing when we get back home.
With May, and listen to the guy that maintains the antennas and the towers for the contest station.
Sounds decent.
LR, and
I won't butt in on them though. I'd like to find a POTA. CQ, this is Kilo Golf 7 Yankee Sierra X-Ray looking for a signal report on how my new microphone sounds. CQ, this is Kilo Golf 7 Yankee Sierra X-Ray. How dare he?
Very good. Anybody that's a visitor that would like to check in, come down.
Kilo Golf 7 Yankee Sierra X-Ray. Kilo Golf 7 Yankee Sierra X-Ray.
November 6th Alpha Foxtrot. QSL. And name and location, please. Sure. Name is Chuck. Chuck Charlie Hotel Uniform Charlie Kilo. I'm in Emerald Hills, which is part of Redwood City, but we're kind of up in the hills where the cougars roam, four-legged cougars, and crazy hams go up on their roof to fix antennas at midnight. Anybody else that's a visitor that would like to check into the corner on that? Come down.
Kilo Golf 7 Yankee Sierra X-Ray. Kilo Golf 7 Yankee Sierra X-Ray.
Okay, there's the everything call sign. Kilo Echo 7 Whiskey X-Ray Yankee. What's your name and location, please? Would you repeat that email address again? Kilo Alpha 6 Call Central Mike. Roger that, I will do that. Appreciate it. All right, Bill. We look forward to hearing you again. Anybody else?
Roger that. What's your location?
Charlie, Quebec. San Diego, over. And there was another station. Roger, roger.
Kilo Golf 7 Yankee Sierra X-Ray. Kilo Golf 7 Yankee Sierra X-Ray.
Copy the Kilo Golf 7 Yankee Kilo X-Ray. Is that correct?
Correction. Kilo Golf 7 Yankee Sierra X-Ray. Yankee Sierra X-Ray. This is Drew in Idaho.
The Kilo Golf 7 Yankee Sierra X-Ray. Is that correct?
Affirm, QSL.
Okay, we have Kilo Golf 7 Yankee Sierra X-Ray. And there was another station.
All right, I think we'll call that a success. The most frustrating part of that was wading through all the pileups and trying to find an opportunity to actually talk. But clearly this person in California was able to hear us on QRP through that homebrew speaker mic adapter. So I'm very pleased with that. I'm looking forward to getting home to where I can actually use some proper tools to shorten up those cables and those wires and make proper connections and have something a little bit more robust that we can take out on some sodas. But very pleased with how this turned out.